Is it your first time here? Do you want to learn 3D modeling and realistic rendering? Please click like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified for new uploads. Thank you. This is a 2-story house design with 5 meters length, 5 meters width. Small but space are well planned to fit the 3 bedrooms. At the entrance of the house, a small porch shaded by balcony will welcome you with plant boxes on both sides. While the rear of the house will offer a 1.5 meters width of concreted service area for laundry and other household works. From bird's eye view without roofing, you will notice how the rooms divided to fit all rooms and still have a space for the beds. The stairway has a large fixed window in the door to light up during daytime. The ground floor composes of porch, space-saving living area, dining area, and kitchen. Below the stairway a small toilet and bath hiding on it. The second floor consists of master's bedroom or bedroom 1. That has access to balcony to get you a fresh air to breathe and to look up your visitor during arrival. Bedroom 2 is the smallest among of 3 rooms, yet it has a space for bed to fit. The last room, bedroom 3, has still space for the cabinet. All you need is to manage your things in order you to breathe. If you love this creations, give as a like. Inspire us by leaving a comment below and motivate us by subscribing. Hit that button to get notified for new upload videos. If you need new creations, always look for Mascarn Creations.